We got us a roller here, Foxi roller. So didn't try and start her yet, but what did I do today in the 7 hours I was out here? New front tire and tube, new back tire and tube, new shocks, new seat. The shocks, because I only had one shock, and the seat I had no seat. I spray painted this stuff black, the luggage carrier, whatever that is, newspaper carrier, and a little black handle there. It's funny because now the back of the bike looks better than the front of the bike. And so what I do too before, I already talked about it, how I had changed that jug out, right? Cut the old one off, which is sitting up there. And I got spark out of it too the other day. And I wanted to get it kind of as a roller so that I could move it around and work on it. But of course, I am missing the front axle nuts. So what I did, so I can limp around a little bit, is I took one off of Foxi, or Frenchie, sorry, the Motorbicon, because it's a weird thread. It's like 11-1 thread pitch, and there's still work to do. If you look at the bike, it kind of lists over to the side, to the right side. So the handlebars are kind of straight, and the front wheel is kind of straight, but some of the other stuff is cattywampus, and it doesn't make a lot of sense to do much until I get another nut for the fork or for the front wheel. And cleaned up some of the grips. You see, I cleaned one grip. It's the old Magura. You can see it, but the Magura levers and stuff. And then this, I can clean it up a little bit. I got some things to do. I have to rebuild the carb. I cleaned the carb, but I have to put the gasket kit on it. But the main thing is that I believe I have compression because the top end's fixed. I have spark, that's for sure. I have a roller. You know, it's got a lot of weird stuff. So this is what's left of the front brake cable. This is for the, what's that for? That's for the brake lights. This is for like the horn and high beams and all that stuff. This one snaps, this one's loose. I have spark, but none of the kill switches seem to work. So maybe I can shut it off with the compression lever. The wiring, super funkadelic, but you know, this is certainly a work in progress. And anybody that watched the first video, first of about 5 or 6 or 7 videos, would definitely see some improvement on this bad boy from when I first got it. So I predict she'll be running. I don't know if I'll get it running before Christmas. That'd be a Christmas miracle. A lot of stuff's not adjusted, but it's on there. And this has been a pretty in-depth build, not costly, but time-wise. You know, it's been a couple of 8-hour days out here just to get it what you see today. So anyway, OG Big T over and out. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Adios, muchachos and muchachas. Bye.